What up, guys? Yeah, some evil spirits. Just imagine when I'm about to record, some evil spirits are calling. Let's hear what they want. Hello? Speak so they can hear you, that you are the one who are always disturbing when I'm working. Speak. Bye bye. Hey, bye bye. I'm recording here. I've just hanged up on some evil spirits that are disturbing us when we are working in the. Okay, so we want to look at the rise table, right? This is like the continuation of what we've done last time. So now we want to do the rise table. And like by the rise table, I'm not saying that there's a table for rise at home. Like this is an abbreviation, right? So it is more of wait, I don't know any abbreviations, bro. Any of you guys actually know of any abbreviations at all? I don't know abbreviations like SA, right? Not the bad SA, like SA as a country. So like SA means South Africa, right? So that is it an abbreviation? I don't care at this point. Let's just deal with the rise table, right? So the rise table. So I just want to break it down to you so that you can easily understand. Wait, I want to make sure that everything is in order here because I was disturbed, right? So you've got the R, and you've got the I, and you've got the C, and you've got the E as well, right? And then I want us to add these brackets. I'm gonna add these brackets. So before we go any further, what does this brackets means? This bracket means what? Oh, you forgot. We've just spoken about it. Like, come on, man. Any thoughts? Yeah, you got it wrong. It's not it, dude. Like, this is the correct answer. Whatever it is that you said, this is not right. The correct answer is concentration. You did not say concentration. You said something else. I don't know what it is, and it's wrong. Even if you said concentration, you did not say it the way I said it, so yours is wrong. So the correct one is concentration, as I've said it. Yours was wrong. Don't argue. Your answer was wrong. I don't care. Your answer was wrong. So what about this R? What does this R actually stand for? So the R actually stands for ratio. So now what is a ratio? So I'm just going to go back. If you look at this 3, if you look at this 2, and if you look at that 8, that is our ratio. So when I draw the rise table, I don't want you to be, what is the ratio? What are the numbers coming from? I'm telling you now, those are our ratios. So stop making noise here. I'm tired. Okay, what about I? So I actually stands for initial, right? Initial. So in most of the time, it could be the initial mole or the initial what? Concentration, right? So let's say that we're dealing with magnesium, right? It could be the initial amount in moles of magnesium or the initial concentration of magnesium or whatever initial we're talking about. But in most of the time, it's either the initial mole of magnesium or the initial concentration of magnesium or whatever, element we are referring to at that example. What about C? C stands for change, right? I'm not talking about the change that you get when you buy a loaf of bread and then they give you your 50 cent or something. This change means change, like change is difference, right? If you deal with delta in math, it means like final minus initial. So you get the change, right? So this is similar to that. Not what you were thinking. Because you're always, like, I'm used to you guys. You're always wrong, so it's fine. You never get these answers correctly anyway, so it's cool. What about the E? So E actually stands for equilibrium, isn't it? equilibrium. So E actually stands for equilibrium. So I'm gonna teach you how to deal with this thing on a different video. But for now, let's just make an example. Let's just come back. So what I want us to do, guys, is I'm just gonna take this example, right? Okay, I'm just gonna take this example. I'm sorry. Okay, yeah, I'm just gonna put it here. In fact, I should like double it. I'm so stupid. I should just like double this one and just like take this one back, right? It feels kind of weird. I like it when it's there. You know. Do you know, like, do you have those things in your room, like, you don't know why they are there, but you just love it when they are there, right? Like, I don't know, like your books. We don't read them, right? We just love them when we just sit on the table and just look at them and, you know, you just sleep. What's another thing? I don't know. You know, like this stuff that you just have in your room, like maybe even a year ends without you touching it. Well, is it your Bible or something? Yeah, I think so to some of you guys. But let's just look at this, right? So how do you calculate the concentration, right? So now, using the rice table. So we want to look at the rice table and how we're going to go with it. So I'm just going to draw this. I'm just going to write the RICE, and then I write concentration. And then what you want to do is you want to write this, right? Oh my God, what did I do? What did I do? Okay, I'm still good. So now you want to draw something like this, right? So the question is, how many elements do you have? We've got 1, 2, 3, right? We've got 3 elements. And because we've got 3 elements, we want 3 spaces. So we're just going to have the first space right here. Just going to have the second space right here. By space, I'm talking about this. It's just like 2 spaces. And then I'm just going to have my third space, right, which is awesome. And I'm just going to like draw a box in here, right? I'm just going to draw a box like that. Guys, trying to draw things look nicely, it takes a lot of time, eh? Okay, so just going to draw this incredible box, right? So within this box, so on the first box, you could write AB, right? So you're just going to come here and write your AB on top. And then you're just going to write your CD. And you're just going to write your A, B, C, D. I don't know what's happening here, but let's just fix it. Yeah, just write it there. Let's just put it there. So now, what is the ratio of AB? As you can see, it's 3, right? It's just going to put 3. What is the ratio of CD? It's just going to put 2. And what is the ratio of ABCD? You're just going to put 8, right? So you're just going to put 8 right there. So this will be given to you within the question, right? So this will be given to you within the question, and the question will tell you what is the initial amount of mole or whatever. So let's not worry about that. What I want us guys to worry about is this concentration, right? So let's say they tell you that the concentration here is going to be 3 divided by a 4. And they tell you that the concentration here is just going to be 2. And the concentration here is just going to be a half, right? So how do you calculate Kc in this instance? So you're just going to come back here and you take your formula, right? So let's just double it, right? Double it, bam, right? Just like that. And then we're just going to come here. And we're just going to like place all this stuff within our formula. We're just going to say, okay, Kc actually equals to the concentration of the product. And the product is ABCD. So what is the concentration of ABCD? By the way, the concentration of ABCD, you can see the concentration is ABCD. The concentration of ABCD is a half, right? So this is an example. So you're just going to write a half. So you see the kind of bracket I'm now using. I am not using these brackets. No, I'm no longer using that. Why? Because concentration is 1/2. If I use this bracket, this one like this one means concentration. So if I use it and say 1/2, it means concentration 1/2 concentration, and which is nonsense, right? So you just want to indicate that now your concentration is 1/2. Just leave it like that. And you're just going to raise it to 8, right? And this is your 8 divided by, so what is the concentration of AB? Just come back here. What is the concentration of AB? As you can see, it is 3 divided by a 4. So just going to have 3 divided by a 4, and you're just going to put cube here as it is right here, right? And then you want to multiply it with what? with the concentration of CD. So what is the concentration of CD? As you can see, it's just going to be your 2. So you just want to place your 2 here and then you square it. So Kc doesn't have SI units. So you're just going to use your calculator to find the value of Kc, right? So this is just like the basic structure of how you were supposed to calculate your Kc.